Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing
3, 2,
another unboxing
1.
video.
Here we go!
Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video. And this is the KBO. That does look like a 3, or reverse 3. And this is the K Series. This is the K1. It's got a 500 watt motor with a 10.5 amp hour battery. It says it goes 45 miles to a charge, and that is not true. Unless you're an athlete, pedal assist 2, I could probably get maybe 10, 15 miles out of this, to be honest with you. I don't know where they get those numbers from. Anyway, outstanding warranty. It's got a 2-year warranty. It is, anybody that's bought the bike has given it a 5-star or a 4.5 star review. Now this is a foldable bike. It's a grocery getter. Let me just kind of tell you the kind of vibe with this. This is not a bike packing bike necessarily. You go up any kind of mountains or anything like that, it'll just burn up this motor. What this is good for, like a grocery getter, if you're an RV, you have a boat, anywhere that you can pack it up tight. If you're an overlander and I'm an overlander as well, so when I get everything kind of set up, that's your home, that's your vehicle. And so having one of these that pack down really small, you can just pull it out, get on the bike, and just ride. So let's get into this and I'll show you. We'll take it for a ride and let's just see what it does. So when you get one of these, it's super small, super light. This is an extremely light bike. And when you open this up, don't open it up this way, because if you need to return it for any reason, they'll want you to put it back in this box. But if the box is destroyed, I'm going to put this back like this. If the box is destroyed, I think UPS sells bike boxes. This is a unique one because it's one of the foldable ones. But you're going to need some wire cutters and a knife. And just be careful not to cut the paint. But it looks like the packaging is fairly, like, not much packaging at all in there. Usually this thing's covered in cardboard and stuff like that. Now, what's neat about foldable bikes is they're typically almost like 95% put together. So you don't have to do much with these. Some of these bikes, dude, it is a pain to put together. And foldable bikes like this one here is, I think it's pretty simple. This is an inexpensive bike. It's $1,000, and as of right now, they're having a sale with a $200 coupon. I think it's $6.99 or something like that. So far, I've just been cutting wire ties. Come on. Nice. All right. Just trying to pop all this stuff off. The seat doesn't look super comfortable. It's a really thin little seat. Just a heads up there. But honestly, to buy, and actually on their website, you can purchase one. I did see that. So you can actually go and get a big cushion seat. Let's lift this up. There's not much to this. It's a pretty bike. So here, it's going to have a flat spot on these are handlebars. There's only one way this thing can go on, and you gotta smash it down, and then we'll lock it in for now. You can adjust this stuff later, and then lock this down. All right, and there was not much to this at all. Where's the pocket knife? Let's see. They have a manual, an Allen wrench. So we've got an Allen wrench, a manual. Looks like for your foldable pedals. And this is for your lock system right here. So let's put that on. That is kind of weird they didn't put this on there. Let's see. How do you put this on? Does it go through the bottom? Oh, it does. Okay. All right. Can that stay like that? No, it can't. All right, where's that Allen key? All right. This is kind of crazy. We could have just put this on. So there's a little Allen right here. Let's pull this off. I don't know how far. I'll just kind of put some pressure to it till it frees it up. There we go. All right. Take this. Can we lock it in? Wow. It isn't hard, but I'm not sure if this was really necessary. You know what I mean? But the company could have done this. All right. Now this will come out. I just want you to know, let's pull this out real quick. I don't want to pull it out, but there's a spot for your key and you unlock it, and I think this, yeah. And then you can pull this out and charge it. So there's a place for your key. You could take this, pull it right out, and you could charge this at your house. Also, these here are for like water bottles. You can pick up probably on their website if you have a bike shop or a Walmart or something like that. You charge it back here. There's a little charger right there. So let's get these on. It's got a little R on it for riders right and left. Let's see. All right. So it'll say R, hopefully on yours, because there's these little stickers. These are plastic. So match your R with your R. It's riders right, and it's gonna have, let's see if this is, yeah, so this is righty-tighty. The other side is gonna be lefty-tighty, and it's gonna be a 15. This is the wrench they gave us. Try not to cross thread these. If it feels tight at all, do not continue. Back it out. And the other side is gonna be a lefty-loosey, lefty-tighty. And I usually go a couple turns the wrong way to just kind of line it up, and then it lock it down. So these here, they will collapse. So when you collapse these, there's a little squeeze here, and you can make it go flat. Squeeze it again, and it'll tighten it down. All right, so it's all put together nicely. There's not a lot of work. So let's work on the top. All right, let's take a look at the front. And to be honest with you, other than that little clip right there and putting on the little foot pegs, this has been one of the easiest bikes I've ever put together. It's pretty insane. So I went on and took all the plastic off of it. I haven't really adjusted this. You've got your keys that are right here. And lift this up just a little bit. Oh man, come on. Bring it down, move the keys out the way. All right, there, come on. There we go. All right, so 100% this type of shifter. You have your finger to upshift and downshift. You got a little valve. Not a huge fan of the cable brakes for an electric bike. Here's your throttle. So, all right, so let's turn this on. Hold on, usually let's turn this light off. It's just easier to see. All right, so hold this is your power button right here. You don't need your keys to turn it on. Here's your power. It starts out with pedal assist 1, which is kind of crazy. Usually they always start out at pedal assist, 0, no assist at all. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 assist. There's your miles. And it looks like that is it. No little charging ports. Here's your, like I said, here's your little throttle. But okay, neat little grocery getter. But let's get it on the road. Let's just see how it performs. Sorry, I need to show you one more thing about this. There's your power, plus and minus. If you tap this, it goes all through your settings. Odometer, trip, your time, your max. I'm not sure, I think that's not voltage. I don't know what that is. And then we're back to here. It does have a light on the front, so take your plus button, hold it down, and there's your light right there. And it lights up this as well. Does it have? Nope, just has a little reflector on the back. It doesn't have it does not have a brake lights. All right, so wanted to show you that real quick before we got it on the road. I tell you what, I do love how small and compact this is. Let's get the helmet on. So we'll test the speed on the assist, and we got a little hill if we go up. It's not that big a deal. Let's see how it performs. But yeah, let's lift this up. All right, there. All right, let's go take it for a ride. What's neat about this is that if you leave the bike run on, it'll automatically shut itself off just to protect the battery. Ooh, this seat is not comfortable at all. Definitely get the other seat. Oh my God, this seat is uncomfortable. Alrighty, I'm just putting it on gear 7, and then we will take off and see how well this does. My normal route, they're actually working on the road, so we're gonna go a different direction, but I gotta raise this up. And guys, this seat sucks, like way sucks. Super sucks. But all right, let's take it for a test. All right, pedal assist 1, give it a little bit of gas. All righty, so pedal assist 1 is 7 miles per hour. Pedal assist 2 is about 9 miles per hour. 3 is 12 miles per hour. And we're going to stay pretty straight and flat. My neighbor. And pedal assist 4 is 13. And 5 looks right around 16 miles per hour. Gear 7, and the road is crazy flat. This, let's see, it's okay. A little bit spooky. Oh man, huh? I'm going about 19 now. I wish this had a little better gearing, because this, I have no feeling in the pedaling right now. So, all right, let's turn around and we'll bring it down to 0. And it has no, we're just going to do throttle only. Pedal assist 1. The motor does have a little bit of whining to it, but it is a 500 watt. Wow, 18. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, has no feeling at all. It just gives you full throttle through the assist. Some will do pedal assist 1, 2, 3 with throttle, so it's not strong. Let's see, does it have cruise control? No. Usually cruise control, you have to hold the throttle down for like 8 seconds and it'll hold it for you. But no. All right, well, let's go back to the house and see how, let's talk about it. This bike is awesome for what it is. It is a inexpensive, really lightweight, foldable bike that packs down small. It doesn't have a ton of power. It looks like it goes about 19 miles per hour, which is pretty cool. It does have cable brakes, which I'm not a huge fan of. It comes with a rear rack. Replace that seat. It is so uncomfortable. I mean, it's like sitting on a piece of plywood. It is extremely uncomfortable, but I think it's nice. If you'd like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. And if you like videos like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Appreciate you guys.